Hi, I'm Neetu Bhatia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this smoky eye on Gia. We have transformed her with very simple steps to achieve a smoky eye. Stay tuned for more YouTube videos on makeup transformations, and I will share with you on how to achieve these easy looks. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you. I will start by cleaning Gia's face to make sure that it is free of any residue or any makeup that may have been applied before. Next, we're going to do skincare. And here I'm going to be applying the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Cream. It's always good to apply it gently under your eyes. You can also use a brush to do this, but I like to massage in the eye cream for maximum effect. I will now apply the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Face Cream on Gia. And this is a nice thick cream which I apply for all of my clients, including brides, gently massaging their skin to get the blood circulation going. And this makes it ready for makeup application that lasts for hours. Skincare is super important before application of any makeup on your face. I will now start with foundation application. This is the NARS Long Wear Foundation. I'm mixing two colors. That's Syracuse, I hope I'm saying it correctly, and Barcelona. Barcelona is my absolute favorite for olive skin tones. I'm applying this with the IT Cosmetics brush. This brush is super easy to use and it is so soft on the face as well. You see how it is blending the foundation seamlessly. It also has a concealer end, and I will show you how to use that in just a bit. And it's also nice to reach to the hard to reach and blend places like corner of the mouth, corner of the nose. I'm also applying the foundation all over her neck, and don't forget to apply foundation to any parts that's visible on the face and neck. So the concealer I'm using is NARS Creamy Radiant Concealers. I'm mixing ginger and biscuit, and that is pretty much making her under eye flawless. So I forgot to apply lip balm when I was doing skincare, and this is the Laneige lip balm. Let's get on with contouring. This is the Bobbi Brown Natural Chestnut Foundation Stick. You can easily use this as a contour color, and it blends beautifully. I'm going to now set her under eye with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Powder. This is in shade number 2, and this is a My Kid Co flat brush. I will again list down all in the description box. If you have any questions, please do ask. I'm also actually adding up a little bit of the Laura Mercier translucent powder because this is a smoky eye, and if there's any fallout from the shadows, I can easily brush it away. So the Laura Mercier translucent powder is very soft, and it does not seem to like bake or make it heavy on the face. I will now set the cream contour that we did with a bronzer. This is by MAC, and it's the Mineralized Dark Tan. I'm going in with the KVD Beauty contour palette as well because I need to darken the sides a little bit and to make it chiseled. This is the blush that I'm using from our Glass Coast palette. It is a beautiful palette, and it has shades of pink and peach and brown, which makes it perfect for this look as I don't want a highly blush look. This is the part that I absolutely love, and I know a lot of my clients do, which is highlight. This is the Dior Backstage palette, and I'm highlighting in just the right places on the tip of her nose and on the sides of her cheeks and over her lips, just on the highlight points, not forgetting the neck as well. Now starting with the eye makeup, I'm going to line her eyes with a black pencil. This one is Maybelline Tattoo Liner. You can use any gel pencil or something that's long lasting but easily blendable. You don't want something that is like waterproof and you're not able to blend. Blending is key in the entire smoky look. This is the Laura Mercier Tuxedo Caviar Stick. I am a big fan of all Laura Mercier caviar sticks. I have so many colors. I'm actually going to get more for summer as well. I'm using a blending brush by Bdellium Tools to blend out just the caviar stick. Now taking a flat brush, I'm applying a black eyeshadow from the Tartelette palette. You can use any black shadow. And this is Embark. I'm going in with a clean blending brush. This is Embark by MAC Cosmetics, by the way. And I'm blending out the corners of her black where I applied the black before. I will now shape her brows with the NYX brow pencils. This is in brunette. And without overpowering the brows, I'm just going to give it like a feathery shape. I'm going back in with the dot palette and using the natural shades that are in the palette to blend this out a little bit more. You could have stopped exactly where I stopped earlier or do a little bit more blending. And taking the black shadow on a flat eyeshadow brush like this one and just placing the shadow on her lower lash line. This will make sure that the lower lash line stays nice and dark and we get that smoky effect which you're trying to achieve. I'm taking a smaller brush, a smaller fluffier brush like this and applying Embark on the lower lash line. It's also important to line your upper waterline because we don't want any spaces or gaps showing through the lashes that we will be doing next. This is the Shu Uemura lash curler, one of the best available out there. So I've curled her lashes and applying a little bit of the Dior highlighter on her brow bone as well. I've applied the lashes now, the Ardell Demi Wispies. I did not want to hide the entire eye look, so just applied very light lashes. I've started lining the lips with Cork Lip Liner by MAC. The lip color I used was Velvet Fawn by Lisa Eldridge. It's a nice muted brown. And I'm going to just put the Jeffree Star Mannequin lip color in the center of her lips and blending everything together. So here is her before and here is her after. Tell me, what do you think of this look? Is it easy to achieve for you? I think it's pretty simple and just quick steps with one eyeshadow palette. We do not use a lot of colors. And this is how Gia looks. She is so pretty. Thank you so much for watching and make sure you subscribe and like this channel. Ciao.